In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Global Markets. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can quickly see what's moving around the world and why it matters. Start by opening the market dashboards. Log in to your Koyfin account, then look to the left sidebar and click on Dashboards. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type Market Dashboards. This takes you to a set of ready-made views designed to give you a fast, comprehensive read on global markets. Next, choose the dashboard that fits what you want to see. Global Market Overview is a great all-in-one snapshot across asset classes. If you're focused on equities by region, pick World Equity Indices. And if fixed income is your priority, select Global Yields. The moment you open one, you'll get a consolidated screen of real-time prices, performance, and trends, which is perfect for a quick morning scan or a deeper dive during the day. Once the dashboard loads, explore the widgets on the page. You'll typically see a panel for global stock indices, highlighting major country benchmarks like the US, Europe, and Asia. Use this to quickly gauge whether risk sentiment is broad-based or localized. Day and intraday changes tell you what's happening now, while longer lookbacks help you confirm whether a move is part of a bigger trend. You'll also find a Forex section with key currency pairs. This helps you track the strength or weakness of major currencies and how that might spill over into equities and commodities. Pay attention to percent changes and standout movers. A strong dollar, for example, can pressure commodities and non-US equities. The Commodities widget summarizes core contracts such as gold and oil. Think of this as a real-time read on inflation expectations and growth sentiment. Sharp moves here often tie back to macro news, geopolitical events, or supply dynamics, so it's a helpful cross-check against what you're seeing in equities and FX. Global yields display sovereign bond yields across countries. Rising yields often signal tighter financial conditions, while falling yields can point to easing or growth concerns. Scanning across regions helps you see where policy expectations are shifting and how that might affect risk assets. Some dashboards also include economic signals, offering quick macro context like growth, inflation, or activity indicators if they're available in that view. Consider these as the why behind the price action you're observing elsewhere on the screen. That's it. Open the market dashboards, select the view that matches your focus, and use the widgets to understand what's moving and how markets connect in real time.